Vocabulario from pages 126, 127. I'll read through these, all the Spanish. Stop me when you need to. Practice pronunciation. Use this as a test as well. See if you can understand every word as it goes by. Practice, practice, practice. Flashcards, lists, whatever you need to use. On page 126, the cognates at the top, the cognados. They go like this. Las calorías, el chocolate, la crema, la dieta, la ensalada, especial, guatemalteco, guatemalteca, imposible, el menú, la sopa. Keep in mind as we go through the nouns here especially, the el and the la don't need to be there. They're the words the. You only put them if you want to say the and then the thing. But this is to help you understand which ones are feminine and which ones are masculine. Okay, as you go through, if they have an L in front, they're masculine words. If they have la in front, they're feminine words. Except in the case of the first one, el agua mineral. Agua is really feminine, but because there's a stressed a at the beginning of agua, they don't want to say la agua because it slides together too much, and they say el agua just to keep that separate. Really is a feminine word though. After having told you a rule, then I have to break it with the first word we're going to say in the nombres. The nombres box, nouns. El agua mineral, el arroz, el biftec, el bistec, el camarero, la camarera, el mozo, los camarones, la cocina, la comida, el contador, la contadora, la cuenta, la esposa, la mujer, el esposo, el marido, la fábrica, la factoría, el flan, el helado, la langosta, el niño, la niña, la papa, el pedazo, el trozo, el pedido, el pescado, el pollo, la propina, el puré de papas, el sabor, la telenovela, la torta, la verdura, la legumbre. Under the verbos we have almorzar, contar, costar, dejar, dormir, mirar, pagar, pedir, poder, volver, regresar. Under the adjetivos we have asado, caro, frito, hermoso, rico, sabroso, solo, without the accent mark, tinto. Just as a note, remember that solo with the accent mark is the shortened form of solamente, which means only. So if you write solo without the accent mark, it means alone. Next page, 127, under otras palabras y expresiones, we have a la parrilla, además, al horno, de estatura mediana, de postre, en este momento, hace calor, hace sol, hacia, para beber, para ver, pasarlo bien, tráigame. There's a little lo sabía usted box right there, a little cultural snippet. Let's see what it says. It says that en los países hispanos el café se sirve después del postre. Generalmente es café tipo expreso y se sirve en tazas muy pequeñas. ¿Se bebe mucho café en este país? ¿Qué tipo de café es muy popular aquí, ahora? And it says, in Hispanic countries, coffee is served after dessert. Generally, it's an espresso type of coffee, and it's served in very small cups. Then the question is, do you drink a lot of coffee in this country? Or is a lot of coffee drunk in this country? What type of coffee is very popular here now? Under the vocabulario adicional, we have under para comer, to eat. We have el arroz con leche, el cordero, los frijoles, la hamburguesa, el jamón, el lechón, el pastel, el pavo, el perro caliente, el queso, la sopa de fideos. Under bebidas, drinks, we have la cerveza, el champán, el chocolate caliente, el jugo de frutas, la leche, el refresco, el té frío, or el té helado. Frío is cold, helado is more like frozen. That's why helado works for ice cream, because it means something frozen. And with the table picture, para poner la mesa, to set the table, we have, let's see, start over at the left with the pepper shaker, la pimienta, la sal, el platillo, la taza, el plato, las copas, el vaso, la cucharita, el cuchillo, la cuchara, el mantel, los cubiertos, la servilleta, el tenedor. Notice that los cubiertos is the word for silverware. Let's see, cucharita is a small spoon, more like a teaspoon, and a cuchara would be a tablespoon. The rest I think is pretty self-explanatory there. Practice el vocabulario.